Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be explaining you guys my trade today that I earned 8% in one trade. All right, so this next 30 seconds is gonna be about the pre-market, my analysis of the pre-market before 9:30, and then after that, I'll explain how and why I took the trade. All right, so let's get started. This is the 1 hour. If we drop down to the 30-minute time frame, we are above the moving average, and now we're just around break even. If this trade ends up being giving me another confirmation, which will be like a bigger candle, bigger green candle here, like this closing, I'll buy. I'll add another trade over here around the 40,080 in 80 maybe 90 mark. All right. Video, the trade did not end up coming here and then having a very green candle here, very bullish candle. I was hoping price could close bullish over this resistance here on the left, and then price would keep pushing up, but it didn't. So price resisted this moving average, which is right here. It resisted this resistance here on the left, as you guys can see. This is a level of resistance here, and then I was counting on this support here, right? So I was hoping price would break below the support, this previous support, and then with selling pressure, price would drive down all the way to the 61.8 mark, and then come back to the 23.6, which is what I usually do on the fib, right? So I did enter for a sell right here as right after 9 a.m. So my entry was 9:14. I did enter for a sell over here at 9:14, and price just started to come down, and my first take profit was the 61.8, but from what I saw on the 4-hour time frame, the moving average was coming right here underneath the 50% fib, right? So I didn't like how the moving average was coming underneath and price was above. So when price taps the moving average, usually shoots the opposite direction, and I didn't want to close the trade on break even, so I just closed this trade right here for a almost 1 to 2, right? After that, closed around 9:34, so that was like a 20-minute trade, right? So these are my confirmations here on the right side of the screen. First one is the fib, right? The 100 to the 0, and then usually I'll wait for a touch at the 61.8, which I could have waited and entered for buys, but I just saw this very good opportunity to go short. And the next confirmation was the resistance. It was holding up this resistance here. It did not reach this area, but it came close to it and then rejected to the downside, right? The break, I said that we could either break to the upside. With the confirmation, I was going to enter for another trade, but no confirmation, no bullish confirmation here, so no trade. Or we could break this previous level over here and then shoot down. And indicators, moving average was above price action when this 8 a.m. candle closed. This moving average was above price action, and then I started to go short, right? Candle confirmation, as I just said, this bearish candle over here on the 1 hour. And take profit, my first take profit was the 61.8. I did enter a little bit early because of the 4-hour moving average, and the second take profit would have been this level here on the left, which is the 100% level, right? And after that, I could not have been on a trade because price came on the 61.8, reversed all the way over here, and after that, it resisted this previous resistance here on the left, and we just made another huge bearish candle here with a lot of selling pressure, which drove price all the way down, breaking this previous low here on the left, right? And then my closure already explained because of the 4-hour moving average, right? So that was my trade for today. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos like this, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you have any videos that you guys want to see. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.